Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Taylor Swift's The Fate of Ophelia. This is the first dress that she wears in like the painting. So here's how you can recreate it. Super simple. You actually don't even need this. I don't know why I had that on. Maybe you do need this, but that's optional. You only need 2 items and none of it is VIP. It's just the hair that I kind of played around with. Use this hair from the mask area in FDCC8E. I did it for all of the hair color. Position the Y at 0.54, Z 0.49, scale it to 0.39. Now grab this hair in the same color in default. Position the Y to 0.52, Z 0.51. Then this hair in the same color, rotate the X to 0.52, Y to 0.48. Then this hair in the same color, position the X to 0.53, Y 0.49, rotate the Y to 0.52, and scale it to 0.4. For the outfit, you are going to use these code items. The first one being this dress in matte and also no chains. And in matte as well. I think I colored it like this color, this white first, and then this gray for the dress. And then I use this in all white. I wish we could like change the materials, but we can't. You can stop there, or you can add this. It doesn't really make that big of a difference. And use a sheer one. Okay. You can be done. You can also use the bird that they have. It is positioned kind of weird though if you put it on the hand. Then you're going to color it this color, B96C16, and that's it. Here's a quick custom makeup tutorial if you want it. I use 150 for the eyes in A0B1B6. For the brows, I use 113 in 7D5749. For the lips, I use 144 in A25E50. For the contour, I just use 038. And then for the noses, I use 3. 187, 112, and 088. Put the 088 one in the middle though, and you're done. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!